Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. I'm going to make a little short video of this brand new computer that I just got through building. Basically, it's got well, the top drive there is a light on Blu-ray, CD, DVD burner. The bottom drive is just a regular CD DVD burner, and it's in a crystal clear acrylic case. It's a beautiful monster. It's got a lot of stuff in it. That's just the start of what it does have in it. It's pretty, and like I said, it's in a completely crystal clear see-through case. You can see the wires there. You can see the back side of the motherboard. You can see it all. It's in a completely see-through crystal clear acrylic case. It's really pretty. That's the back side of the processor right there. Okay, now I'm going to get over here on the other side. The other side is wide open, where you can actually see all the hardware. Alright, that right down there, that's one of the hard drives. And then down in the very bottom, that's another one of the hard drives. Okay? That right there is the 6870 Radeon video card. Kind of hard to see it, but it's a big one. And then up on this side, right there where those heat sinks are, there is 32 gigs of RAM. There is the 6-core AMD processor. It's a pretty awesome machine. I really like it. It's beautiful. And like I said, this side of it is wide open. And then right up there in the very top, that's my Diablo Tech 850 watt power supply. That motherboard is an Asus Crosshair 4 Formula motherboard, which is specially designed for, it's by the Gamers Republic. It's made by the Gamers Republic is what it's made by, through Asus. It's a really nice machine. I really enjoy it. And I'm going to have a lot of fun with it, I'm sure. I'm going to make a lot of videos. Anyway, I just thought I'd show y'all what it is and so forth. God bless all of you. And I hope you all have a very wonderful, wonderful, wonderful evening. Y'all take care now. I'll be back to you with some more videos. Maybe not on this particular project, but I've got all kinds of projects going on, and I'm always making something. But y'all take care now. I'll be signing off for now. Have a great evening. God bless and take care. Bye-bye for now.